Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a waterfall braid, so if you're interested, just keep watching. To begin this waterfall braid, you're just going to grab a little section of hair at the top of your head, and you're just going to split it into 3 pieces, and you're just going to start braiding normally. And then you're going to take a piece from the back and just like French braid it. So you're going to add a little piece in, and this front piece you're going to drop it, and you're going to take a little piece from behind it and pick it up and put it into your braid. So you add some hair, drop it, pick some up, and add it in. Drop it. And then you can just keep going until you get to either where you want to be on the back of your head, or you can go all the way around your head. I just like to go about till I reach like a little bit behind the back of my ear. And then what you're gonna do once you get there is you're just gonna braid it down a little bit, and then take an elastic and just tie it off. And then you have your waterfall braid. Bye guys, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, then like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.